Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to link Polygon wallet to Bitcoin.com. Linking a Polygon wallet to Bitcoin.com is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bitcoin.com app from your mobile device and sign in. Here I've already signed into my account and I'm on the home page. From the home screen, tap on Settings at the bottom right-hand corner. This will open up the settings interface where you'll need to tap on your email address under Sign In As at the top. Now under Rewards Wallet, you can tap on Link Polygon Wallet and then at the bottom, choose any one option. If you have a previous Polygon wallet, you can import it by tapping on Import Wallet and entering your seed phrases. If you have got an existing Polygon wallet, tap on Choose Existing Wallet option and follow through the instructions. Similarly, if you want to create a new reward wallet, tap on Create a New Reward Wallet and follow the instructions. Right after you do that, you will then be able to link Polygon wallet to Bitcoin.com. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.